I share greetings of peace and goodwill to you all, my fellow Jamaicans, home and abroad, and to all our sympathizers, supporters, genuine friends and well-wishers, home and abroad. I share greetings of peace and goodwill to you all as well. And special I share greetings of hope, comfort, faith, condolences, and restoration to all the families of those that have lost loved ones, friends, homes, and other valuables and cherished possessions as a result of the devastating wrath and destruction that the thing called Hurricane Mellissa have brought upon us and our beautiful island, our sweet, sweet Irie, Jamaica. I am the Mystic Philosopher. You know that it is a common belief among us Jamaicans, and especially us Jamaican men, that with the exception of when our mother or our parents or a child dies, real men don't cry. Real men just account for things. Real men take responsibility for things. And real men just handle things. I too was taught and led to believe that big men must be tough and handle situations without tears, because tears is a sign of weakness, a sign of a meltdown. But I must honestly admit that when I saw some of the very disturbing, distressing, and heartbreaking images that was coming out of Jamaica, both during and the aftermath of this thing called Hurricane Mellissa, along with the unbearable sufferings, the fears, the hopes, and some of that was seen on some of the faces of the survivors. When I saw some of our proud, self-sufficient, proud, independent, and self-reliant fellow Jamaicans with only the clothes on their backs, and some even reduced to begging, and even now, though temporary, to be relying on handouts for their continued survival, I couldn't resist the tears that naturally flowed from my eyes. And though I was taught to be tough, I just could not hold back the tears anymore. And it reminded me of how fragile and how vulnerable we are as humans. It reminded me that in the twinkle of an eye, our life can change. And now that Mellissa has passed, I just want to take this opportunity via this media to remind us all as Jamaicans that in every adversity there is also a lesson, or there are some lessons from which we may learn something, or some things, something that we may have been missing, or some things that we may be able to bring us closer together as one and make us even much more stronger, much prouder as a nation and as a people. For as the saying goes, united we stand, but divided we fall. By the same token, in every adversity, there's also a potential opportunity, or some potential opportunities. Opportunities for us to gain the knowledge, the understanding, and overstanding and wisdom in order for us to build back and come forward better and much, much stronger. For the record, not only for us to build back and come back bigger, better, and much, much stronger structurally and economically, but bigger, better, and much, much stronger in our character, in our love and care for each other, basically in our basic humanity as well. It was one of our own, the late Robert Mr. Marley, who reminded us in one of his songs titled Survival, that we are the survivors. So let us wheel and come again by starting all over again. Starting all over again, it's gonna be rough for us, but we gonna make it. Starting all over again, gonna be tough on us. We got to face it. We lost all we had, hurt so bad. Mellissa set us back more than 1,000 years. We're gonna make it up, though it's so tough. The grin and the fear. Oh, starting all over again. We're gonna be hard, but I pray that the Lord help us make it. Oh, starting all over again. It's gonna be slow, but we both know we're gonna make it. We're gonna take life as it comes. Never fuss about it, what's right or wrong. It's an uphill climb to make it to the finish line. We're gonna try just one more time. Oh, starting all over again, it's gonna be hard on us, but we gonna make it. Starting all over again, yes, it's gonna be tough, but we both know we gonna make it. We gonna take life as it comes. Don't make any fuss about it, it's right or wrong. We gonna make it up, though I know it's gonna be tough. To ease all the hurt and all the fear. Starting all over again, yes, it's gonna be rough for us. We gotta make it. Starting all over as friends, yes, it's gonna be rough on us. We gonna make it. Be more.